This video covers OBS Studio versus StreamYard. Choosing the right live streaming platform can transform your broadcast quality and ease without technical headaches. We'll explore both options to help you decide which fits your needs best. OBS Studio and StreamYard are popular live streaming tools but serve different purposes. OBS Studio is a powerful open source software for custom setups, while StreamYard is a browser-based platform focused on simplicity and remote guest integration. The core difference is control versus convenience. OBS Studio is a free open source software designed for advanced live streaming and video recording. It works by capturing video and audio from multiple sources, including webcams, screens, and external devices, then mixing them into a professional broadcast. Its strengths lie in its flexibility and customization options such as scene transitions, filters, and plugins, making it ideal for users who want full creative control. OBS Studio supports streaming to any platform with RTMP support, including Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook Live. However, it has a steeper learning curve and requires installation on your computer, which can be demanding for beginners or those without technical skills. Users with experience in video production or those needing complex setups benefit most from OBS Studio, especially if they prefer offline editing and detail control over every aspect of their stream. StreamYard is a browser-based live streaming platform designed for simplicity and ease of use. It allows users to broadcast directly from their web browser without the need for software installation. StreamYard excels in remote guest management, making it perfect for interviews, panel discussions, and collaborative streams. Users can invite guests via a simple link, share screens, and add overlays or banners with minimal setup. The platform supports simultaneous streaming to multiple destinations like Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitch. While StreamYard offers fewer customization options compared to OBS Studio, its user-friendly interface and cloud-based operation reduce technical barriers. It is ideal for content creators, marketers, and businesses that prioritize quick setup and remote collaboration over advanced production features. Limitations include less control over stream quality and reliance on internet stability, since everything runs in the browser. Comparing OBS Studio and StreamYard highlights a trade-off between control and convenience. OBS Studio is perfect for creators who want deep customization, advanced production tools, and offline capabilities, but it demands technical knowledge and setup time. StreamYard suits users needing fast, browser-based streaming with easy guest integration and minimal configuration, ideal for live interviews or business webinars. For example, a professional gamer or video producer may prefer OBS Studio for its flexibility, while a remote podcast or marketing team benefits from StreamYard's simplicity. OBS Studio requires a powerful computer and software familiarity, whereas StreamYard works on any device with a browser but depends on internet speed. Choosing between them depends on your streaming goals, technical comfort, and whether you prioritize production complexity or straightforward collaboration. Choose OBS Studio if you want full control over your stream's look and feel with powerful customization and professional-grade production capabilities. Option StreamYard if ease of use, quick setup, and seamless remote guest management are your priorities. It's a reliable choice for marketers and casual streamers who want professional results without technical complexity. Pick the platform that best matches your streaming style and